In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife band.
After spending 4 nights at Bahia de Los Angeles with Never Say Some Day and Sprint Slow, our caravan continued south to San Ignacio and Bahia de Conception. Cow. Horse. Thanks. That's what you're precautioning about. Yeah.
Hola!
Day 11 in Baja. We just passed over to Baja Sur.
That's right, all right.
Headed south.
South of Baja.
And so 11 days in Baja so far has been
Very, very good.
pretty good. Very good, yes. And we've had no issues. No issues with water. No issues with our food and our stomachs.
With people.
Everybody's been nice. And we just spent 4 nights at Bahia de Los Angeles. So we're headed to San Ignacio for a night and then down to Baja Conception, which is supposedly superb.
Yes.
Little mini market at the gas station. Out there, Rich.
I have a shredded beef and potato mini burrito.
Cold.
Cool.
And
Good.
San Ignacio is the cutest little town in the middle of Baja. We were able to spend the night camped in front of the mission along the square.
Hola.
Hola, we're in San Ignacio. San Ignacio. And there is the mission.
Yeah.
Spending the night
We're at?
in the square
Can't
on
even
the other
see
side of that van. We explored the quaint little town, toured the mission, stopped in to a local museum, and viewed some of the replicated cave paintings. We popped into one of the local grocery stores to get some more supplies before our next leg of the trip, where we'd be camped on a secluded beach. had a great dinner with our friends at a restaurant facing the square and spent the evening in the square chatting, drinking tequila, and sharing stories. Last night we stayed in San Ignacio, right in the town square next to the mission.
Yeah, it's very nice and quiet this morning.
Quiet last night.
Yeah.
Had a quiet dinner in the plaza. Beautiful little town.
Inspection?
We hit another checkpoint with an inspection inside the van, which went smoothly.
All good, let's roll.
When we arrived at our campground, Playa Los Cocos, at the Bahia de Conception, we knew this is what Baja was all about. Collectively, we decided to spend 10 nights at this great location and enjoying the local area. Coming up in our next video, we spend 10 nights in Bahia de Conception, taking a boat ride, taking a horseback ride on the beach, exploring the town of Mulegé, snorkeling and kayaking, and enjoying authentic Mexican goat barbecue on the beach.